end of the video, and the final product look something like this. And I have to tell you, I just cannot wait. I just cannot. Hey youngies, welcome back to another exciting episode of my channel. If you're new, please click on the subscribe button. You'll be notified whenever I post a new video. So last year I began to ama videos cooking in my kitchen. It's not one of those videos about the one thing about Bugai, but it's what I like because, you know, I'm doing trending topics, I'm doing not because I like doing that, but I've seen because most people watch my videos if my videos are. But anyways, if you go to or your schedules are really busy, but still you want to come back home and cook something that is very fast, you should be subscribing to my channel because well, every other time I post cook videos in my channel. So today's video, I'll be trying out this lasagna made from No. I love this kind of things, guys, simply because back Jenny recipe was again and they even portion izinto also like the pasta, the seasoning mix, and the cheese sauce for this recipe here. So why not buy it? You can actually get one of these things from Pick n Pay. I know Pick n Pay has it, I know Checkers has it, and I also know Spa Unayo. So if you're gonna enjoy this type of video, then watch until the end. Let's get straight into cooking. I have already switched on my stuff. Okay guys, this is the things that you're going to need for cooking this recipe. It's a frying pan, some oil for frying, onion, you have this that I bought, and then some cheddar cheese. You're also going to need, it means I bought this one from Pick n Pay. You're going to need some fork, measuring spoon, a dish spoon, and this oven proof dish. So without wasting any time, let's get straight into the cooking. to the end of the video, and the final product looks something like this, and I have to tell you, I couldn't even wait to film like the end of the video because the food looked delicious, and I have to taste it once I get on the camera just to make sure you guys that I'm not telling you it's really hot, like as you can see. I hope I don't bend my tongue. If you are watching this video and you need a wife, I'm here. Okay guys, don't forget to click on that subscribe button to be notified whenever I post a new video from me. Until next time guys, bye.